You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, do like and subscribe. Question is, a system administrator is setting up a new server that will be used as a DHCP server. The administrator installs the OS but is then unable to log on using Active Directory credentials. The administrator logs on using the local administrator account and verifies the server has the correct IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. The administrator then gets on another server and can ping the new server. Which of the following is causing the issue? Option A, port 443 is not open on the firewall. Option B, the server is experiencing a downstream failure. Option C, the localhost file is blank. Option D, the server is not joined to the domain. Correct answer is option D. Question is, which of the following can be best described as the amount of time a company can afford to be down during recovery from an outage? Option A, SLA. Option B, MTBF. Option C, RTO. Option D, MTTR. Correct answer is option C. Question is, a system administrator is performing maintenance on 12 Windows servers that are different racks at a large data center. Which of the following would allow the administrator to perform maintenance on all 12 servers without having to physically be at each server? Choose two options. Option A, remote desktop. Option B, IP KVM. Option C, a console connection. Option D, a virtual administration console. Option E, remote drive access. Option A, a crash cart. Correct answer is option A and option B. Question is, which of the following backup types only records changes to the data blocks on a virtual machine? Option A, differential. Option B, snapshot. Option C, incremental. Option D, synthetic full. Correct answer is option C. Question is, a company uses a hot site disaster recovery model. Which of the following types of data replication is required? Option A, asynchronous. Option B, incremental. Option C, application consistent. Option D, constant. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of CompTIA based questions from the link provided in the description. Question is, a server administrator was asked to build a storage array with the highest possible capacity. Which of the following array ID labels should the administrator choose? Option A, array ID 0. Option B, array ID 1. Option C, array ID 5. Option D, array ID 6. Correct answer is option A. Question is, a company's IDS has identified outbound traffic from one of the web servers coming over port 389 to an outside address. This server only hosts websites. The company's SOC administrator has asked a technician to harden this server. Which of the following would be the best way to complete this request? Option A, disable port 389 on the server. Option B, move traffic from port 389 to port 443. Option C, move traffic from port 389 to port 637. Option D, enable port 389 for web traffic. Correct answer is option C. Question is, a technician is connecting a server's secondary NIC to a separate network. The technician connects the cable to the switch but then does not see any link lights on the NIC. The technician confirms there is nothing wrong on the network or with the physical connection. Which of the following should the technician perform next? Option A. Restart the server. Option B. Configure the network on the server. Option C. Enable the port on the server. Option D. Check the DHCP configuration. Correct answer is option C. Question is a server administrator needs to check the remotely for unnecessary running services across 12 servers. Which of the following tools should the administrator use? Option A. DLP. Option B. A port scanner. Option C. Anti-malware. Option D. A sniffer. Correct answer is option B.